डेटा एनालिस्ट बनना चाहते हो या अपने करियर को नेक्स्ट लेवल तक ले जाना चाहते हो? 2025 तक डेटा एनालिटिक्स की डिमांड स्काई रॉकेट होने वाली है, लेकिन सिर्फ एक्सेल या पाइथन सीख के सक्सेसफुल नहीं बन सकते। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप रोड मैप दिखाने वाला हूं, जो आपको फ्यूचर रेडी स्किल्स देने के साथ कंपटीशन में स्टैंड आउट करने का मौका देगा। We're going to break down each stage of the journey, from absolute beginner to advanced mastery, covering everything you need to know to thrive. End तक बने रहिए, क्योंकि एक बोनस टिप आपकी जर्नी को और इजी बना देगी। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। So, why is everyone talking about data analytics? Well, by 2025, the global data analytics market is projected to reach a staggering, insert dollar amount here, billion. That's billion with a B. इस इंसान ग्रोथ का मतलब है कि हर इंडस्ट्री, ई कॉमर्स जाइंट्स से लेकर हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर्स, यहां तक कि स्पोर्ट्स टीम्स, सबको स्किल्ड डेटा एनालिस्ट्स की जरूरत है, ताकि वो अपने माउंटेन्स ऑफ डेटा को समझ सके। Think about it, businesses thrive on making informed decisions. And data is the fuel for those decisions. चाहे वो कस्टमर बिहेवियर समझना हो, मार्केटिंग कैंपेन को ऑप्टिमाइज करना हो, या फिर फ्यूचर ट्रेंड्स प्रेडिक्ट करना हो, data analysis holds the key. And that's where you come in. By equipping yourself with the right data analytics skills, you are not just learning a set of technical skills. You are building a recession-proof career. Because no matter what happens in the economy, companies will always need people who can turn raw data into actionable insights. It's like having a superpower in the job market, a superpower that's in high demand. So, if you are ready to unlock this potential and future-proof your career, let's dive straight into the roadmap. Alright, so you are pumped about data analytics. Awesome. Let's start with the fundamentals, the building blocks that will set you up for success. First up, we have the trusty spreadsheet, Excel. Now, don't underestimate the power of Excel. It's a data analyst's Swiss Army knife. You will use it to clean data, perform basic analysis, and create those insightful charts and graphs. Master the art of VLOOKUPs and pivot tables, my friends, and you will be well on your way. Next, we need to get comfortable with the language of data itself, statistics. Don't worry, I am not talking about complex equations here. We will focus on the essentials, like understanding averages, medians, variances, and how they paint a story from the data. These concepts are the foundation of data analysis, helping you draw meaningful conclusions. And finally, no data analyst's toolkit is complete without SQL, or structured query language. Think of SQL as your key to unlocking data stored in databases. You will learn how to extract specific data points, filter information, and join tables, giving you the power to navigate the world of databases with ease. Master these three foundational skills, and you will have a solid base to progress to the next level. अब जब आपको बेसिक्स आ गए हैं, it's time to level up your game with some core data analysis skills. This is where things get really interesting because we are introducing you to the world of programming with Python. These powerful languages will become your basic friends as you automate tasks, perform advanced statistical analysis, and even build predictive models. Don't worry, we will take it step by step, and there are tons of resources available to guide you. But it's not enough to just analyze data. You need to communicate your findings in a clear and compelling way. That's where data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI come in. These tools empower you to transform raw data into stunning visuals, interactive dashboards, charts, and graphs that tell a story and make your insights pop. And let's not forget about the ETL process: extract, transform, load. This crucial step involves taking data from various sources, cleaning it up, transforming it into a usable format, and loading it into a data warehouse or analysis tool. Understanding this process will make you a data management ninja. On the right, data rock stars, we are moving into the realm of advanced skills. that will make you unstoppable in the data-driven world of 2025 and beyond. First up, we are dipping our toes into the exciting world of machine learning. Now, don't be intimidated by the fancy name. We will focus on the basics, using Python libraries like scikit-learn to build simple predictive models. Imagine being able to predict customer churn or forecast sales with a few lines of code. That's the power of machine learning. Next, we are heading to the cloud. Cloud platforms like AWS and Azure are revolutionizing the way data is stored and processed. Understanding how to navigate these platforms, run analysis on a massive data sets, and leverage their scalability will give you a significant edge. And speaking of massive data sets, we can't forget about big data tools like Spark and Hadoop. These tools are designed to handle the mind-boggling amounts of data generated every second. While they might seem daunting at first, even a basic understanding of their capabilities will set you apart. Before you dive headfirst into the world of data analytics, let's pause for a moment and address some common pitfalls that can trip up even the most enthusiastic learners. Firstly, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of learning on the latest tools and technologies. But remember, tools are just that, tools. They are only as good as the person wielding them. Don't neglect the importance of soft skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and communication. The ability to clearly articulate your findings, tell a story with data, and present your insights in a compelling way is what separates good data analysts from great ones. Secondly, avoid the temptation to learn everything at once. It's much more effective to focus on one skill or tool at a time, master it, and then move on to the next. Trying to juggle too many things at once will only lead to overwhelm and frustration. And finally, don't underestimate the power of building a portfolio. As you learn new skills and complete projects, document your work and showcase it in a portfolio. This could be a simple website, a GitHub repository, or even a well-structured document. A portfolio is your chance to shine, demonstrate your skills to potential employers, and stand out from the crowd. Now, for those of you who want to take your data analytics game to the next level and truly stand out from the competition, I've got some bonus tips that will give you an edge. One powerful strategy is to develop a niche specialization. Instead of trying to be a jack on all trades, consider focusing on a specific domain like sports analytics, financial analytics, or healthcare analytics. By becoming an expert in a particular area, you will gain valuable insights and become highly sought after by companies operating in that space. Next, embrace the power of personal branding. Share your data analytics journey, projects, and insights on platforms like LinkedIn and YouTube. Create content that educates, inspires, and provides value to others. Not only will this help you build a network and connect with other professionals, but it also positions you as a thought leader in the field. And finally, remember that the world of data analytics is constantly evolving. New tools, technologies, and techniques emerge all the time. Make it a habit to stay updated with the latest trends, attend industry events, even if they are virtual, and never stop learning. The more you invest in your professional development, the more valuable you become. So, there you have it, your roadmap to conquering the world of data analytics and future-proofing your career. Remember, the demand for skilled data analysts is only going to increase. So there's never been a better time to embark on this exciting journey. अब आपके पास एक क्लियर रोड मैप है। आप किस स्टेप से शुरू करेंगे? कमेंट्स में जरूर बताएं। वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और डेटा एनालिस्ट इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपना डेटा एनालिटिक्स जर्नी आज ही शुरू करें। लेट्स डू दिस।